Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Cole. I love fun, bright, colourful makeup, and if you do too, you're in the right place. If you aren't new here, you may have noticed a little change. We've gone back to pink and green hair, which doesn't really fit with the vibe of this palette. This would have definitely worked better with the pink and orange hair, but we're going with it anyway. This is the newest release from Cosmic Brushes. This is the 4th palette in their like tarot series, and this is the Sun palette, and this is what she looks like. Is this just not the most beautiful, like bright, colourful, summery palette? I absolutely love the way this one looks, and I'm really excited to get into it and play with it today. As always with Cosmic palettes, this is a £20 palette. It's another one of their this way opening. I don't love that because all of their palettes initially opened this way, and I wish they'd have kind of stuck to it. But nevertheless, this is the 4th installment in the tarot series. We've got Death, the Lovers, and I believe that Starlight Society is part of this tarot series, but I'm not quite sure because it doesn't quite fit the same vibe as the other three. But nevertheless, I'm very excited to play with this today. So I think I'm going to start off with my deepest shade. So I'm going to start off with a really small pencil brush. This is an E35 from Louise. Also, if you are new here, / also if you aren't, that we are nailless today, and my nails are also dyed pink. So we're just going to move past that. Right, we are going to start off with this one here. I believe this is Vitality, which is what looks like a super deep kind of burgundy shade. As always, I have not swatched beforehand. Okay, that's not quite as deep as I thought it was going to be. I haven't swatched beforehand, so I'm not quite sure what any of the shades are going to be until we put them on our eyes. Okay, I definitely expected this to be like more like a burgundy, but it is definitely like a pinky red rather than a burgundy. It actually, in fact, matches my hair pretty damn well. So I'm just going to start building up the outer corner and the wing shape that we're going to do today, because I want to get as many colours from this palette on my eye at the same time. Something that is pretty rare for a Cosmic palette, this has got a kind of like skin tone shade in, which they don't normally have. I think due to the fact that Cosmic is owned by a woman of colour, she doesn't tend to put like a more like kind of my skin tone shade in a palette. So kind of intrigued to see that. Am I ever going to use it? Probably not that much. But I know a lot of people like a skin tone shade, like a lighter skin tone shade, so it is nice to have. Okay, so just winging this out like that. Then I'm going to go in with a slightly fluffier brush. This is a P. Louise E71, and we're going to go in with Leo, I think, which is this beautiful orange here. And we're going to start blending out the edges of that Vitality shade. I'm not going to lie, I've not seen anybody do anything with this palette yet. You guys might have noticed, if you are new here, that I've kind of dropped off posting a little bit, and I've not been consuming as much beauty content as I once kind of previously did. I honestly couldn't tell you why. There's no particular reason. I think I'm really getting into my fitness and my food, like health food at the moment, and I think it's just kind of overtaken me kind of watching like beauty content, because I've been watching a lot of like gym content and fitness content. So I literally haven't seen anybody use this palette. I think I've seen a picture of one look, and that's just because it kind of happened to be there when I opened my Instagram up. So I'm excited to see what I can do with this, kind of having seen nothing. Okay, then we're going to go back to that fluffy brush, and I really want to use this yellow. This is the shade Energy, which is stunning. And we're going to start blending this. We're kind of doing like a traditional, somewhat like sunset blend. So we're not kind of pulling in the lilacs or the purples or anything, which we do have in this palette if we do want them. I just wanted to kind of do like a traditional sunset blend for my first look with this palette. And then I'm going to take Energy all through the crease. I think we're also going to take Leo, which is the orange, all through the crease too. I don't even like really comment on the quality of Cosmic anymore when I make these videos, because everybody just knows it's going to be incredible. Right, I'm going to take Leo on my pencil brush. We're going to just intensify it in the middle there, so that it's not got lost. And then we're going to pull this through the crease as well. I also haven't plucked my eyebrows in about 3 weeks, so they're kind of all over the place. But we're not judging. We don't judge here. We don't judge dirty brushes or unplucked eyebrows. I think I also did dye this one a little bit pink this morning when I did my hair dye, so it's fine. It's totally fine. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with Beacon, which is the kind of medium orange almost. I'm just going to use this to kind of transition between that Vitality shade and the Leo shade. Stun. Love. Love. And then I'm going to take my pencil brush and we're going to go into Energy. I'm just going to make sure that this orange is nicely blended, but also that we're not losing any of that beautiful yellow. Okay. This is always the hardest part about not swatching the palette. Which shimmers do I want to do? Okay, so we've got Abundance, which is like a duochrome pink to yellow. We've got Success, which is a more like gold. Clarity is like a pink with a blue reflect, which is beautiful. And then I'm also really pulled in by Happiness, which is like a golden green. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do Happiness and then Success, I think. So we're kind of going to go with like a greeny gold to a more like true gold with the pink. So starting off with that shade Happiness, I'm just going to start with this here. Ooh, that is pretty. That is not as green as it looks in the pan on the lid. I might actually go in with my finger. Yeah, that is much, much, much more gold than I expected it to be. Still absolutely beautiful though. Stunning. And then we're going to go in with Success, which is like a gold pink. Again, I'm going to use my finger because I can for now. This is the one perk to not having nails on, is that I can get right into my inner corner with this shimmer. They're both beautiful. You can tell the difference between the kind of deeper and slightly more green gold to the more pink gold. I kind of want to give it a bit of smoke. I do kind of wish there was a black in here. That's just me though. I think we're going to do, I'm going to take Optimism, which is this really deep blue, and then I'm going to kind of mix it back and forth with Vitality. It's like 2 taps of that, 2 taps of that, 2 taps of that, 2 taps of that. Yeah, and it kind of makes this like deeper purple. I just want to use that along here just to add a little bit of definition. And then we're going to take our small pencil brush again with Vitality on it, and we're just going to make sure this is really blended out. So it doesn't, I don't want it to kind of look like an obvious kind of winged liner line. I just want it to give some definition. Okay, I like that. I was going to do my orange Troublemaker pencil, but I can't find it in there. I think it might be somewhere else. So I'm going to use the pink. This is Party Crash. If you have never used these, get to know them because they're incredible. And I'm putting that both on my upper lash line and my lower lash line. They're literally £3. They are incredible. Yes, buy them. Would recommend. Okay, so I'm going to go do the rest of my face, and then we're going to come back and we'll do the under eye. Right, okay, that is the rest of my makeup on. Foundation is Urban Decay Hydromaniac Skin Tint. Concealer is NYX Bear With Me. Cream bronzer is the Say Skin Melt, and the Jouer powder bronzer is my powder bronzer. On the cheeks, I've got Rare Beauty Alive Cream Blush, topped off with MAC blush in Loudspeaker. I recently picked these two up because I really wanted like a bright orange cheek, and I'm enjoying them thus far. And then I've got Shapeshifter from Glisten in Elixir on my cheekbones, and then on my lips is Cashmere Cutie from NYX. This is one of the Fat Mattes lip balms. It's the first time I've tried one, and I quite like it. Okay, I think that's everything. Oh, and brows are the MUA brow pencil and the Urban Decay Big Bushy Brows, whatever it's called. Right, let's do the under eye. Don't know whether I want to. Don't know whether I want to do like a pop on the under eye. No, let's stick with what we're doing. So I'm going to go in here with Beacon, which is that like medium orange shade. I think today I just want to let the like oranges and the reds and the yellows have their moment rather than like pulling some blue in. So we're just going to pack that under the eye. I'm actually quite glad I couldn't find my orange Troublemaker pencil because I think it would have kind of merged with the shadow under the eye, and I think the pink helps the eyes pop a little bit more. And then we're going in with the yellow, which is called Energy. I'm going to pack this all the way around that Beacon shade. Right, I think what I want to do in the, I think we're going to use this shade here, which is called Joy, which is like a really light goldy, like white gold. And we're going to pop this shade in the inner corners. I'm actually not going to do a different colour under there today for a change. That is so pretty. I think you could definitely build it up, but I quite like it like a little bit sheer and kind of ethereal like. Okay, let's do some mascara. I'm just going to use the Maybelline Sky Tubes because I'm going to be honest, I'm taking this off as soon as I film this video because it's Sunday. That is my finished look with the new Cosmic The Sun palette. I think this is beautiful. I'm really excited to play with it more. I wanted to do something kind of typical of what you'd kind of expect of a sunshine makeup look today, but I really love the way it turned out. And I cannot wait to play with this more. As per always, it is the most amazing, great quality that I expect from Cosmic brushes. And yeah, let me know if you pick this one up. Let me know if this is your kind of colour story. It's very, very much up my street. Let me know all in the comments down below. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more from me, hit subscribe. And if you want to make sure you never miss another video, hit the bell icon and YouTube will notify you next time I post. You've been fabulous. I've been Cola the Ball, and I'll see you next time. Bye.